1 minute daw ah.
Good morning, everyone. Pursuant to the notice of pre-trial conference issued by the presiding officer on June 9, 2026, this pre-trial conference for the case number 004-2026 in the matter of the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte is now called to order. In accordance with the rules of procedure on impeachment trials and special order number 2026-044, I, as the Secretary of the Senate, am designated as the clerk of the impeachment court. Before we proceed, please note for the record that pursuant to the notice, this conference is being conducted in a non-public setting and is not open to the media or the public. This arrangement is intended to allow the parties and their counsel the widest freedom and latitude to discuss procedural matters, stipulations, simplification of issues, identification of witnesses and evidence, and scheduling concerns necessary for the orderly preparation of the case for trial. The proceedings are part of the official record of this impeachment trial. Minutes will be prepared, reflecting all matters taken up, agreements reached, stipulations made, issues identified, and matters remaining in dispute. These minutes will be submitted to the impeachment court and will serve as basis for the proposed pre-trial order for the impeachment court's consideration. Any pre-trial order shall take effect only upon approval by the impeachment court. I will now go to the appearances. The parties are directed to enter their appearances. May I request the public prosecutors to enter their appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Congresswoman Jervin Jinky Beatrix Tuisto, appealing for the prosecution, Your Honor. We are ready.
Representative Jose Manuel I. Diokno, also for the prosecution. May I respectfully inform the Honorable Court through the Honorable Clerk of Court that one of our members of our prosecution panel, Representative Kaka Bathao, cannot attend the pre-trial conference this morning because her father passed away on June 15, 2026, and she's presently at the wake of her father in Las Piñas province.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Laila Telima, Representative Laila Telima, prosecution.
Representative Isabel Zamora, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I am Representative Lawrence Rivera, Defensor for the prosecution. Your Honor, Representative Jonathan Quinto.
Your Honor, Representative Romano Zurigo Gutierrez for the prosecution.
Your Honor, Representative Lord Swan for the prosecution. For the prosecution, Representative Joel Chua, Your Honor.
Representative Terry Butler.
Thank you. May I also request the public prosecutors to manifest for the record if they have designated private prosecutors authorized to appear, participate, and act on their behalf during this pre-trial conference and all matters incidental thereto. Please proceed.
Your Honor, with us are private prosecutors who will be acting under the direct control and supervision of the public prosecutors. May they be allowed to enter their appearance as well, Your Honor?
Yes, please. The private prosecutors may enter the appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honors. Attorney Lorna Patao Kapunan as private prosecutor under the control and supervision of the public prosecutors.
Good morning, Your Honor. Respectfully appealing as private prosecutor under direct control and supervision of the public prosecutors and Attorney Marco T. Tua of Becca Barlo.
Good morning, Your Honors. I am Erwin G. Maki, respectfully appearing as private prosecutor.
Good morning, Your Honors. With respect, James Brian Granimali of Becca Barlo, appealing as private prosecutor.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am Attorney Armando Virgil D. Libutan of the Sapayan G. Alvarez Libutan Law Offices sa Legal Law, appearing as private prosecutors under the direct control and supervision of our honorable prosecutors.
Thank you. We will open for the record. Now may I ask the respondent and or her counsel to enter the appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am Sheila Ciciso, respectfully appealing for the Vice President, Sara Zimmerman Duterte.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Christine Arcaner for the Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Wesley, respectfully appearing for the Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Stephen Guan for the Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am Ralph D. Budota, respectfully for the respondent.
Good morning, Your Honor. Roberto Nervaso Batumbacan for the Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. Justin Nicole Bigolar for the Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am David Bernal Angelic, for the respondent Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lyndon Miguel Pacuel for the Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. Carol Grace G. Orseo for the Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gloria Estrado for the Vice President.
Good morning, Your Honor. Francesca Marie Flores for the Vice President.
Thank you. The appearances are duly noted for the record. At this point, I just a few minutes suspension to allow our friends from the media to exit the